Okay, I'm going to show you how to record your answer to the problem of the week in FlipGrid. I'm going to do this from my iPhone, so I'm going to click on my Gmail. You're going to receive the link each week from either your Gmail or from your Google Classroom, whatever platform your teacher currently uses to share assignments and activities with you, whether it is Seesaw or Class Dojo or Google Classroom. So here I have it in my email. It's this top email, second grade POW, April 20th through the 24th. So I'm going to click on that. It says, here's the link for the second grade POW, which stands for Problem of the Week. So thanks for joining the Northside Bears Virtual Math Challenge. You're going to click on that link, and it's going to take you right to the problem for that week for your grade level. You'll have to log in with your Google account. So that's your lunch number at student.ecpps.k12.nc.us. And then once you log in, it's going to take you to the problem for that week. And so here's the problem. Jacob had collected 70 baseball cards. He gave half of them to his brother Sammy. How many baseball cards does Jacob have left? So once you're ready to solve that, you're going to click on the green circle with the plus sign in the middle. And don't start recording until you have either paper and pencil ready that you're going to record you solving it, or a dry erase board and a marker. So I'm doing this from my iPhone, so it's going to use the camera on my phone. If you have an iPad, it's just the same. It will use your camera from your iPad. So it'll be a little different if you're using a Chromebook or a laptop, because it's going to use the webcam from the Chromebook or laptop. So you'll probably have to hold up a dry erase board or hold up your paper and pencil and have something behind it to bear down on. That'll be a little more tricky than an iPad or an iPhone. So I'm going to click on the green circle with the plus sign now. Open in the app. And I'm going to flip the camera so it's not looking at me. So now it's looking at the back side, and you're going to have your paper and pencil or a dry erase board and marker to work out the problem. So again, the problem for that week says Jacob has 70 baseball cards. He gave half of them to his brother Sammy. How many baseball cards does Jacob have left? So I know that he has 70. And he gave half of them to his brother, gave half away. So we have to figure out exactly half of 70. So if you know division, you could write the equation 70 divided by 2, but that's not something we've learned in the second grade yet. So you need to figure out what half of 70 is. So one strategy is guessing and checking. So if you know that 30 plus 30 is 60, you still have to figure out 10 more to get to half. Hopefully you know 5 plus 5 is 10 more, and so that puts you at 70. So half of 70 is going to be 35. If you get 35 and I get 35, we each have exactly half of 70, because 35 plus another 35, 30 plus 30 is 60, and 5 plus 5 is 10. And that's 70. So he gave 35 to his brother. And the question is, how many baseball cards does Jacob have left? So you would then finalize your answer by writing it in a complete sentence. Jacob has 35 baseball cards left. And then you want to make sure that the whole board is in the video, your work, and your complete sentence before you end it to submit. Okay, I hope this helps you to understand how you're going to be submitting your answers each week for the Northside Bears Math Challenge Problem of the Week. If you have any questions, email your teacher or email Mrs. Harris at sharris@ecpps.k12.nc.us. Good luck!